Iman here from Design by Iman. Today we are going to be talking about a new project, which is a brand new build in Mississauga, Ontario called Lucky Lynd. And today we're going to be jumping right into the entrance, the office, and the powder room. Let's get started. Initially, when we received the floor plans from the architect, we knew we were going to have a bit of a challenge because the entryway was quite long and quite narrow. The front was initially supposed to be a formal living room, and the closet really blocked off the view to the great room. We decided to add millwork behind the office desk, which meant that the window had to be a little smaller. We also flipped the powder room and the closet orientation to allow for a more open stairwell, which would naturally make the entrance feel less claustrophobic. When we started developing the elevations of the entrance, powder room, and office, we knew we wanted to incorporate pops of wood, marble, and brass. With the entryway, we thought it would be best to incorporate as many textures as possible because it was narrow and we wanted to take your eye away from the size of the entrance and towards all of those small details. For the flooring, we created a really interesting pattern using chevron hardwood and pieces of porcelain tile cut into the same shape. We started by having it all tight together, and as we got closer to the family room, we started removing pieces out. When you first walk in and you see the archway, you see this beautiful black slab, and it is stunning. For the archway, we decided to use the slab while having a brass underside. With the wall on the right, unfortunately, there wasn't enough space for a console table. I still wanted to give the clients an opportunity to put their keys down, so we created a custom floating shelf, which acts as a console table. We also created a custom cut mirror, which sits perfectly on top of the shelf and is also backlit, which looks super cool. And of course, because this was a new build, we wanted it to be extra special, so we created a custom panel with a wave-like form, which looks really cool on that wall. The office has this beautiful shelving, and we also allowed for a center desk. The desk with the 2 chairs is perfect for meetings. We created an interesting texture on the wall with a Samsung Frame TV, which is great to cast your meeting slideshows as well as have some photos in between. Past the archway is a custom closet as well as a custom screen. And we also decided to create a hidden door for the powder room with an integrated mirror so you can check yourself out before you walk out the door. We selected all the furniture and all the accessories, but we also managed to incorporate a traditional Persian rug into the office, which my client already had, and also brings a purpose and sense of heritage. We wanted the powder room to feel really luxurious, so we decided to do an integrated sink right into the vanity. We placed the faucet off to the side with a custom mirror heading up to the ceiling. We used textures like wood and a texturized wash on the wall to make it feel organic. With the floor, we inlaid a brass profile detail to tie everything together with all the other brass elements, like, for example, the sconces and the faucet. Through the process, we had to adjust some of our material choices because of what was going on in the world and supply chain issues. But overall, I have to say that the entrance, the powder room, and the office turned out to be so beautiful, and I cannot wait to show you the next room, which is the kitchen. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment below, and we will see you on the next video.